Voyager's mysterious journey? The final frontier or something even bigger? Voyager One, the space probe that has pushed the boundaries of human exploration for more than 45 years, is now heading towards the heart of our galaxy. Currently, it's sailing through the vast, empty space between the stars, a region that is as alien to us as the farthest reaches of the universe. And yet, despite the unimaginable distance, Voyager One is still transmitting data back to Earth, sending back information that continues to awe scientists. But now, something strange is happening. The data it's sending is not right. It's garbled, jumbled, and makes no sense. This has raised one big question. Is Voyager One experiencing a failure of its systems after decades of operating far beyond its expected lifespan, or has it stumbled upon something in the void of interstellar space that defies everything we know? The mystery deepens, and so does the intrigue surrounding these incredible spacecraft. Voyager One, a technological marvel and a time traveler. Voyager One and its twin Voyager Two were designed to explore the outer planets and beyond. Launched in the late 1970s, they have far outlived their expected mission durations. These space probes were meant to last only a few years, but they've delivered over 4 decades of groundbreaking discoveries, reshaping our understanding of the solar system and the universe. Voyager One's iconic images of the giant planets and their moons, including Jupiter's volcanic moon Io and the icy mystery of Europa, gave us unprecedented glimpses into the far reaches of our cosmic neighborhood. By 1990, Voyager One made its way beyond the outer planets, leaving the familiar edges of the solar system behind and entering interstellar space. The spacecraft crossed into the heliosphere, an invisible bubble of solar wind that surrounds the Sun and its planets, into uncharted territories where the forces of space and time are vastly different. What made Voyager One's journey even more extraordinary is the fact that its technology was primitive by today's standards. Back in 1977, there were no smartphones, no internet, and no cutting-edge microprocessors. The Voyager probes carried equipment powered by simple processors and an 8-track tape recorder. Their designs were so simple that they avoided the complexity that might cause failure over time, but even then, how could a probe endure for so long in the harshest conditions known to mankind? The answer lies in the brilliance of engineers who built it to be resilient. Yet, now, after all these years, time is starting to take its toll. Mysterious data and possible glitches. Voyager One has continued to transmit data from over 12 billion miles away, far beyond any human-made object in history. The probe's systems were designed with simple, reliable technology, but recently, scientists noticed something strange. The data coming back from Voyager One no longer made sense. The signals were garbled, like trying to read a letter written in a language we don't understand. At first, this might seem like a typical system glitch, but this time, the issue is more complex than that. The problem appears to be linked to the spacecraft's attitude and articulation control system, AACS, the part that keeps Voyager One's antenna pointed at Earth. The probe's antenna is still locked on Earth, but the data it's sending is incoherent. Could the malfunction be due to age, or is Voyager One encountering something strange out there, something beyond what we could ever predict? A test of human ingenuity and perseverance. The possibility that Voyager One has encountered something that defies explanation adds another layer to this ongoing mystery. The environment it's now exploring is unlike anything we've ever faced. Interstellar space is a perilous, radiation-filled desert of high-energy particles, and even the toughest technology is vulnerable to its effects. Yet, Voyager One's engineers designed the probe to withstand radiation and particle strikes. But after 45 years in this hostile environment, is it just wear and tear, or is there something more? The longevity of the Voyager missions is nothing short of remarkable. Built with 1970s technology, they were never supposed to last this long. Voyager One was expected to last just a few years, but it has far surpassed all expectations. Yet, now, with its power supplies slowly running out and its systems growing increasingly fragile, the inevitable question looms. How much longer will it continue to send back data? Voyager One's legacy and the golden record. Voyager One's mission is coming to a close, but its legacy is already cemented. The golden record, a disk containing sounds and images from Earth, meant to represent humanity in case the probe is ever found by intelligent alien life, is one of the most poignant elements of the Voyager missions. This time capsule, floating through space, contains the essence of who we were at the time of launch in 1977. It's a message to the universe that, even if we're long gone, humanity made its mark on the cosmos. Voyager 1 and its twin Voyager 2 have expanded our understanding of the solar system and the greater universe. They've revealed volcanic activity on Jupiter's moon Io, hidden oceans beneath the icy surface of Europa, and detailed images of Saturn's rings. Voyager 1's passage through the heliopause, the boundary between the solar wind and interstellar space, marked a defining moment in space exploration, confirming what scientists had only theorized before: that the solar system extends far beyond what we could see. Even as the data gets weirder and more cryptic, Voyager 1 remains an unparalleled testament to human ingenuity. Despite its challenges, the spacecraft's ability to send back vital data, even with decaying power, is a reminder of what we can accomplish when we push the boundaries of possibility. The rising space race and China's ambitions. But as Voyager 1 sails into the unknown, Earth's space race is far from over. The future of space exploration is rapidly shifting, and the new space race is no longer about the United States versus Russia. Today, the competition is intensifying between the US and China, with each country positioning itself for dominance in space. China, in particular, has been making major strides in its space programs, launching groundbreaking missions that are redefining the global landscape. From landing on the dark side of the moon to sending a rover across Mars, China's ambitions in space are not just about exploration. They're about securing resources and strategic advantages. The country is focused on helium-3, a rare isotope found on the moon that could revolutionize energy production on Earth. This isn't just science fiction. China is aiming to control the future of energy by mining lunar resources, and their ambitions in space are poised to make a major impact on the world's energy market. Moreover, China's space program is rapidly advancing, with projects like the Tiangong space station, which will be operational by 2025. Utilizing artificial intelligence, the Chinese government is strategically positioning itself to lead in space technology, from autonomous rovers on Mars to space-based solar power. These innovations, if successful, could reshape the future of energy, communications, and even warfare. Space, the new battlefield? The lines between civilian and military space exploration are blurring. China's increasing space military capabilities, including satellite swarms and anti-satellite weapons, could create a new kind of space conflict, one that challenges traditional defense systems. Space has long been seen as the final frontier, a place for cooperation, but with new military technologies emerging, the reality is much more complicated. Meanwhile, private companies like Elon Musk's SpaceX are also using space as a battleground. Musk's Starlink, which aims to provide global internet access, is facing competition from China's own satellite networks. As both nations race to dominate space, the implications for global geopolitics are vast. What happens if one nation controls key satellite networks or energy sources? Could space become the next arena for conflict rather than cooperation? A future uncertain, but full of promise as the US and China race to control the future of space. The question remains: will space be a place of unity and exploration, or a new stage for conflict and resource wars? The technology we develop today will shape the course of humanity's future in space, and we are on the cusp of what could be one of the most transformative periods in human history. Whether that future will be one of cooperation or competition, of discovery or conflict, depends on the choices we make now. As Voyager 1 drifts further from Earth, sending back its cryptic data from the unknown, we are reminded of how much we've achieved, and how much more there is to discover. But as the stakes rise, the real question is: how will humanity handle the challenges ahead? Will we continue to explore the cosmos together, or will we let the vastness of space divide us? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: Voyager 1's journey is just one small chapter in an ever-evolving story of exploration, discovery, and the search for answers in the cosmos. And as we reach for the stars, we'll be writing the next chapters of this incredible